Hello. Dear students, now please confirm the screen is visible or not. Just confirm anyone by just identify the number. Tell me which number I have written here. The chat box you put which number I have written. Someone has. Please identify the number which I have written here. Which number? Yeah. Good evening, friends. So now today we'll go for some more problems on day 2. Permutations and combinations. So here in the permutations and combination, I will just give you the idea directly how to arrangement of numbers, arrangement of letters. Yes, friends. Total permutations, especially the conditions like this, please listen to me. Directly, I'll give the example so that you can remember it. See, tomorrow, the word tomorrow, how many letters are there in the word tomorrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. Now, suppose I asked you to listen carefully. Arrange all the letters of the word tomorrow. Irrespective of meaning, whether the arrangement of the word gives a meaning or not, that is secondary. And also sometimes this is really very, very important question. You may ask you, what is the rank of the word tomorrow in the dictionary, English dictionary? That's what, whenever such things has come, just remember it. Total letters factorial divided by repeated letters. T, it's not repeated. But how many times? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 factorial. So, annex M, no, R 2 times into 2 factorial. This much you remember it. Like example, I'll go good. Total arrangement of all the letters of the word good. 24. Total letters factorial divided by G is not repeated. D not repeated, but O repeated 2 times. Therefore, it is, you can write divided by 2 factorial. So in this case, now I'm going to give you one more example here. Look at this question now. Here is asked institution. Institution, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 factorial. 11 factorial divided by repeated letters. I how many times is there? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 factorial into N. How many times? N is 2 times. That is 2 factorial into 2 factorial into S. No, S is not repeated. Leave it. T 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. 3 factorial. Here U is not repeated and O also not repeated. So this way we can write total permutations of all the letters of the word institution is total letters factorial divided by repeated letters factorial. If suppose see, in this word T is 3 times, I is 3 times, therefore I have written 3 factorial. N is 2 times, 2 factorial, and t is 3 times 3 factorial. Now I'll go for one more question now. Look at here. This question, now I'll give you this idea. Listen carefully now. My dear students, since it is a competitive exam based, you have to understand how to tackle the question. The word, look at here, Mississippi. First calculate totally Mississippi is what? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters are there. So 11 letters in the 11 letters total, 11 letters. So total permutations is equal to, first we see that. Total permutations is equal to, total permutations is equal to 11 factorial, you are aware of this, divided by repeated m. No, so that is, I'll write here. M is not repeated. M is not repeated, leave it. I, how many times? First check it out. I, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, okay. Next, yes, 4 times repeated. Next, I already written. P, 2 times. That is, it can be written as in the denominator 4 factorial into again 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So just already I have calculated this answer. I will write this answer is 34,650 you will get. Just a minute to try to understand. So this is total permutations. But my dear children, remember it. What is the question is asked? My dear students, remember it. In how many ways the letters of the word Mississippi be arranged so that 4 yes are not together. That means in this there are 4 yes. But however, whatever way you arrange it, but 4 yes are not together. First we calculate 4 yes are together. First we calculate 4 yes are together. Together we calculate. Look at it. This is very simple logic. 4 yes I'll make it as 1, 2, 4 yes are together I'll take. That is 1 letter. Remaining are what? 4 yes you leave it now. 4 yes you leave it here. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 plus this 4 yes are together we take 8 letters. So totally 8 letters, how we can do it? Totally 8 factorial by 4 yes are together, 8 factorial divided by repeated. So repeated again what? Yes are 1. 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Look at it. Now, according to the question, 4 yes are not together. In the total permutations, 3, 4, 6, 5, 0, you just remove this, you subtract 4 yes together. So that 8 factorial divided by, then definitely you'll get 4 yes are not together. See, out of 10 people, 5 people are together. So not together people is what? Total 10 minus together people is equal to not together people. Because totally 10 people are there, 3 people are together. How many people are not together? Total 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 or like that. So total permutations minus 4 yes together people. So the result will be 4 yes are not together. So after simplification, I think this will come 33,810. This you can check it in your this thing. So 33,810. Option B is the right option. Yes, friends, once again I'll tell you where you'll get here. So I told you, this simple thing, school. SCHOOL. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total permutations of all the letters of the word school is equal to 6 factorial divided by how many? S is not repeated, C is not repeated, H is not repeated, but Y is 2 times. Therefore 2. Like tomorrow, good, Mississippi, institution, engineering. Engineering. So how many ways you can arrange this? All the letters of the word engineering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 factorial divided by all the letters of the word of engineering. E. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 factorial into N. N is 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial. And G. 2 factorial. G is only 2 times. 2 factorial. And I is 2 times. 2 factorial, and R is not repeated, leave it. So this is the method. So where you will ask is school, tomorrow, Mississippi, institution, school, engineering, where the more letters are repeated. So this much you can remember this. So this is one more important concept where we. Now, my dear students, now I'll go for one more concept. Look at here. The problems are this way. I'm going to solve this now. So in the yesterday we have discussed about NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, or n into go reducing one number and continuously n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus r plus 1. Yesterday we have discussed about it. So NP0 is equal to 1. NPN, in the permutations, both the top number and the bottom number are equal. The answer is n factorial. So this already we are aware of this. Now I'm going to solve the simple example first. How this is the question first, I'll write here. Try to understand. How many ways, look at this question now. How many ways can 10 examination papers be arranged so that best and worst papers never come together. Worst papers never come together. Look at, there are 10 question papers within that. Look at it. Try to understand this question now once again. There are 10 question papers, exam papers. You arrange all 10 examination question papers so that best and worst papers never come together. Best paper and worst paper cannot be, or easy paper and tough paper cannot be together, never come together. Are you getting this point? Total 10 examples. First, total arrangements. Total arrangements is what? 10 out of 10 question papers, we have to arrange all 10. That is equal to 10 factorial. Finished. Total. That means in this 10 factorial arrangement, best paper, worst paper together may not, that I don't know. All 10 papers I have arranged. This is first. In this best and worst paper together, I'll take together first. I told you once again, 15 members are there. 4 people are always together. Then how many people are not together? 15 minus together people is equal to, this is the answer of not together people. Like this, first best and worst paper together I take. Best and worst paper together. Worst paper together. Best and worst paper together I'll take now. So best and worst, suppose see best, worst, I'll always together. I'll make it one pack. Then how many papers are there? These are 2. Then remaining are what? Remaining what here? 8. 8, this is always considered as wherever it go, this parcel will go to one place only together. That is totally, that is equal to out of 9. We have to arrange all 9 papers. That is equal to 9 factorial. But inside, look at it. Into inside worst and best can be arranged inside of the file, inside of this box. These 2 can be arranged in 2 factorial. So total remaining not together. Not together means what? Total minus of together. 9 factorial into 2 factorial. My dear friends, because it takes a lot of time, 10 factorial and all. So remember it. Always this is the way we need to solve these questions. So please try to understand. Some more examples yesterday we have discussed about it. So today just see now. Yeah. Some of these questions are like this. Already I have written some of the questions for you. So let me go with some important questions which asked in the previous entrance exams from the different states you take first. Like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, from there we start. Otherwise, it will be a very difficult situation to face this example. Okay, so next year, we'll go for one more question now. So I'll be writing one more question. See, available digits are, I'll not write the question, just you can understand the question now. Available digits, total available digits. So that means you can use these digits: 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. These are by using these digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 digits are there. Totally 7 digits. So you have to form 4-digit number. You have to form 4-digit number. For 4-digit number, we have to form 4-digit number by using these digits. That is first digit, second, and third, and fourth digits. But one condition, what I've given, we have to form the 4-digit numbers. No digit is repeated. Suppose see, 4-digit number means I've written 2233. Sorry, 2244. You cannot do like this. You cannot form 4-digit number by using these digits. Try to understand this, my dear friends. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. By using, first try to understand very roughly. You have to understand why, because here no theory will be followed. First, it has to hit your brain. Brain just brain idea, then only you can solve. Look at it. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. You can use these numbers, 7 digits in any direction, any way you can use it. However you want, you can use it. But you form 4-digit number. But condition is no digit is allowed to repeat. No digit is repeat to allowed. That means you cannot write like this. See, 1 is there here. 1, 1, 2, 2. You cannot. This is a 4-digit number, but here 1 is repeated. So the condition of what he has asked is no digit being repeated. So what is the condition? What is the condition he has given? No digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. So that's what, this is the condition. So it takes a lot of time to write. That's what I'm giving the idea of the question now. Okay. My dear children, just remember it. Very simple. Since the digit is not repeated, how many are there? 7 digits are there. We have 7. So 7 digits, we have to arrange totally 4 digits. That's all. That is called 7p4. Out of 7, you have to arrange 4, because if the digit is repeated, what will happen? Very, very difficult situation. I'll tell you that digit is also repeated. What will happen? 7p4, 7 into, go reducing one number from 7, 6 into 5 into 4, because I told you, where to stop? The totally 4 factors should be visible. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that is 7, 6, 42 into 5, 4 is 20. I think 42 2s are 84. That is 840 is the final answer. How many ways, dear students, try to understand. Suppose if the condition is digits is allowed repeated. So totally you have, look at this. That time 7 digits. Suppose if I give the permission that digits are, any digit is repeated. First, to fill up this place, how many chances are there? 7 places, 7 chances. Any one digit will fill up. Again, that digit will go back, because digit repetition is there available. Again, to fill up this 7. Again, to fill up this is 7. Again, to fill up this is 7 ways. Total answer is 7 raised to 4 ways. Why? Because suppose see, if I put here 2, again 2 will go back. Totally 7 digits, because repetition of the digits is allowed. That's what totally it is called. So repetition is allowed means total number, and how many digits you are forming. 3 means power cube you write. Forming 4 means you write 4. Forming 5 digit means you write 5. Forming only 2 digit means you write square. Total number of available digits and if the repetition is allowed. So this way we can go for one more example. Look at here now. See, we'll see one more problems. So again, given digits are, look at here. So I'm going to give the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are there? These are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are available for you with you. So you can use these digits. 4-digit even number I want. So you have to form, look at here. You have to form, this is really interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4-digit. You have to form 4-digit. That digit should be even number. 4-digit even number should be formed by using these given digits. No digit is, repetition is not allowed. You cannot repeat. Please listen once again. Dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given 6 digits. Using these digits, please try to understand. Once if you get idea, you can solve any problem. Once if you get idea, you can solve any problem here. Yes, friends. Using this 6 digits, we have to form 4-digit number, but that should be even. So the even means, remember it, all of you see that if it is an even number, either this place must be filled by 2 or 4 or 6. Correct? Are you getting this point? If it is even number, first try to understand that this is called unit digit. Last digit, this place is called last digit place. Last digit place or unit digit. This is called unit digit. So since 4-digit even number means definitely thus last digit or unit digit can be filled by 2 or 4 or 6. How many ways we have? There are 3 ways to fill up this. Finished. Any one number will be fixed here. Then how many numbers will left here? We have then 5 digits. Please try to understand. The unit digit can be filled by using any one of the letter 2, 4, 6. That is 3 ways I can fill up this. That means and one number either 2 or 4 or 6, one number I have already placed here. That means we left with 5 digits. We have 5 and 3 places. The remaining operation can be done by 5p3. Total answer can be done by multiple. 5p3 into 3. The unit digit is, this unit digit can be filled by 3 ways. That is first task. Remaining, we have left with 5. We have to fill up the 3. Out of 5p3, I told you. What is the meaning of this? 5p3 is nothing but filling up 3 places by using 5. So therefore, 5p3 into 3, 5 into 4 into 3 into, we can prepare 180 4-digit even numbers by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My dear students, please try to understand. Very important this type of questions. So next here, again we'll go for one more question here. Let me complete this one more question here. Look at this. How we can solve this question now. So if you're going to solve this, this gives complete idea about this question now. I hope this question will give you very good idea on entire permutations concept now. How many 5-digit numbers can be found? How many, total question I'll write. If at all you want, you better, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed? Numbers can be formed. You have to form 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits. With the digits, try to understand with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has given totally 5 digits. By using these 5 digits, you have to form 5-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. Which are, look at here. What is the condition I have given? Which are, please try to understand. Number one, that less than 30,000. Later I'll give you less than. Second question. The second question is all at a time greater than 70,000. And the third question, all numbers at a time I'll write. Third question, between 50,000 and between 50,000 and 90,000. This will give definitely last question. Fourth question is greater than 75,000. Greater than 75,000. My dear students, you see. Please, I'll read once again the question for you. I'm going to read a question for you once again. Please remember this. If you understand this question, finished. Almost all, you are capable of. You have idea to solve average or little bit above average question in competitive exams on permutations. Definitely. What is the question? See, first let me explain clearly outside. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. You have to use these numbers only. Using numbers, okay? Using numbers. You have to form 5-digit number. Look at here. You have to form 5-digit number has to be formed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. But remember, sir, I'll go for, sir, I'll fill up like this. I'll write here 3, 5, and 7, 9, and 2. But here, what happened? What is the question he has asked here? 5-digit number has to be formed. Okay. But this is called first. Suppose if you have formed like this, this is 35,000. According to the first question is what? Look at here. According to the first question is the number whatever you formed. Please listen. The number whatever you formed should be less than 30,000. I asked. Once again, I'm telling you. Listen. Suppose using these numbers, you have formed one number 35792. But this number is 35,000. But whereas the question number 1 is whatever 5-digit number you form, that number should be less than 30,000. Now your answer is wrong because your number is the formed number by you is greater than 35,000. According to as per my question, it is should be. So answer for first question. Look at here. Slowly you take on. So 5-digit number, you have to form 5-digit number plus it should be less than 30,000. It should be less than 30,000. Okay. First 5-digit number. No, I will just form. Look at here. 5-digit number. All of you see this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to go for 5-digit number. Please try to understand. And no use here. See, nothing is there to study in permutations. Only matter is you have to understand. As you are aware that you have just almost all not attended properly permutation and combinations in this. First, we'll see. This is called unit digit. This is called unit digit. This is the 10th digit. 10th. This is 100. And this is 1000th digit, and this is 10,000 digits. 10,000 digit, please. First term, the number is less than 30,000 means definitely you have to write 2 only here. Only you have to fix 2 only. That is 2 have to be fixed. That is one way. Only one chance is there to fill up this place because 10,000. Start with 3, the number will definitely 3, next 5, 7, 9. Definitely the number goes after 30. If I start with 3, if I start with 5 also, it will go above 50,000. If I start with 7, it will go above 70,000. If I start, that means to start 10,000 place, we have to start with 2. That is 2. That is one way. First work is done. Finish the remaining any numbers we write here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there totally? 2 is fixed here. Now we left with 4. So that is we have to left with what 4. And out of 4, we have to arrange 4. The total answer is 1 way into 4p4. That is equal to 1 into 4p4. That is equal to 4 factorial. That is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. That means, remember, by using, what is the meaning of this? By using the letters 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, we can form 24 5-digit numbers which are less than 20, less than 30,000. Again, I repeat, what is the meaning of this? We can form, look at it. We can form, say, by using the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, we can form 24 5-digit numbers which are less than 30,000. Which are less than 30,000. So now I'll go for, again, this is the one more question now. Look at here. So I'll be going for next, once what is the numbers? So given numbers, question number, once again, here itself I'll write answer for question number 2. Available numbers are what? What are the available numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are available numbers. You have to using numbers. You have to use these numbers and form the 5-digit number. What is the, but here second condition what he has kept, 70,000. It should be greater than 70,000. So answer is required 5-digit number is greater than 70,000. It should be greater than 70,000. I hope you can understand this question once again. Now look at here. 5-digit number. No, here clear. I'll write now. Try to understand. 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-digit number. This is the 5-digit. So first we can go for unit digit. This is unit digit or last digit, 10th digit, 100th place, 1000th place, and 10,000th place. 10,000th place. 10,000. So greater than 70,000, we have, once again, I'll write here 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Greater than 7,000 means, yes, it can be written here as 7 or it can be written 9. 7 or 9. That means to fill up this place, we have got 2 ways. We have got 2 ways. That means one number is fixed. Any one number has gone, either 7 or 9. That means we are left with 4 digits. So out of 4, we have to fill up. That is, first work is done by 2 ways. Into next, out of 4, we have to arrange remaining 4. 2 into 4 factorial. I think it is 48 is the answer. 48. Question now. See, look at it and try to understand. Third question. All of you see this. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 given numbers, sir. So answer to third question. Answer to question number 3. I'll write again. So given numbers are what? 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the, by using these numbers only we have to go. So by using these numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, and what is the third question says that the number should be between 50,000 to 90,000. So number should be between 50,000 to 90,000 is asked. Please see that. You have to form, the question is what? You have to form the 5-digit number. You have to form the 5-digit number. It should be between 50,000 and 90,000. 50,000 and 90,000. Once again, I'll go for it. 5-digit number. Once again, I'll draw it systematically. You check it now. Just try and see that. So 1, 2, 5-digit number, 3, 4, and 5. This is, I told you, no, this is unit digit, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, and 10,000th place. Between 50,000 to 90,000. Between 50,000 to 90,000 means this number can be filled by 5 or 7 or 9. That is, this number can be filled by 3 ways. Either 5, because the number should be between 50,000 to 90,000. 90,000. Sorry, 9 cannot be. 9 means it will go above 90,000. That is 2 ways. 5 or 7. Any one number is gone. So that next we have 4. So this is remaining is 4p4. That is equal to 2 into 4p4. That is equal to 2 into 4 factorial, which is equal to again 48. Which is equal to 48. Please try to understand, which is equal to 48. Next question once again. This is 50,000 to 90,000, right? My dear students, confirm. My dear students, confirm the number. Confirm the number which I have written in the corner. Once again, I am right this one. So which number I have written here? This number. Please confirm the number. Please confirm the number. Which number I have written here in the corner with this arrow mark. Arrow mark down. With arrow mark down, which number I have written? My dear students. Hello. My dear students, please confirm. I think you can see this. Dear students, please once again confirm the number which I have written here. Here, this. See the cursor where I'm moving here. This number you have to identify. You have to identify. You have to tell me which number I have written so that I can continue. I want to confirm that screen is visible. Screen shared properly or not? My dear students, yes, very good. Then I'll go for next question. So next question is, the next question, look here. The last question is, here they have asked, it should be greater than 75,000. 23579, no, we have to use 23579. And it should be greater than 75,000 is asked. Again, last and final, you'll come to know. So this is 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, if at all you want, this is unit digit. 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000th place. Greater than, see, we have numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. I have to use only this much. So greater than 75,000 means, greater than 75,000 means I can write only here 7. I can write 7. That means only one way. This place can be filled by, that is 7 is gone. Now remaining 4, we have to fill up out of 4, 4p4. That is equal to 4p4 into 1. That is equal to 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Look at this is a way you can identify. And sorry, this is again, sorry, just once again, please let me correct this concept. Please just a minute. Just we made a small mistake here. I'll confirm this. Let me confirm this. then we'll go for it. Look at once again. There's a small error. Please pardon me. Here using numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. See that? This greater than 75,000, no? Therefore, 7 will be fixed here. That means it is one way. 7 is gone. But be careful. Students, you see that? If I write 2, look at here. In this place, here, 1000th place. If I write 2 or if I write 3, it will be less than 75. That means again, this number either 5 or 9. If it is to be crossed above 75 means it should be 5 or 9. That is 2 ways. 2 ways. That means 2 digits have gone. Now we left with only 3 digits now. Out of 3, we have to fill up remaining 3. Try to understand. 3P3. That is 1 way into 2 ways into 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 2. That is equal to 12 ways. Because look at here, in this place here, you see, in this place, if I write 2, it will be 72,000. If I write 3, it will be 73,000 because we want the number is 75,000 above. That means the 1000th place can be filled by either 5 or 9. This can be done by 2 ways. That 1 digit, 2 digits is gone. Now we left with the 3 and we have to fill the 3 places. Any number you can write. The small adjustment, you can go for it. So therefore, totally 12, we can form 12 5-digit numbers which are greater than 75,000. Okay, dear students, pardon me. Just now power failure has occurred here and the network is also not working. As you know, tomorrow I am going to take definite integrals, complete definite integrals based on shortcut only. Totally shortcuts. Around about I am going to train you more than 20 to 25 shortcuts because you know definite integrals. You cannot apply by parts theorem, by parts, application of upper limit minus lower limit, and all. It takes a lot of time. Tomorrow's session is totally only shortcut methods. Direct shortcut methods, we can tell you. See, I'll tell you one example here only. I'll show you one example here. Look at this. See, this question you need to solve. This question. But to solve this question is not that much easy. Square root. That's what there we have made one format. A to B, B minus X by X minus A. Pi by 2 times of B minus A. This is here B and this is A. Pi by 2 minus B minus A. 5 is B and A is 2. Directly we can go for answer is 3 pi by 2. So like this, some definite integrals we are going to solve tomorrow. And now it is power failure is there, so that it may not be my laptop, may not be support or network also. So tomorrow definitely we'll meet once again. Thank you. Sorry for this interruption. Thank you, my dear students. Yes.